In some markets, this is known as the 370Z. In other markets, it's known as a Z. So to cover my bases, this will be a rapid roadside review of a 2020 Nissan 370Z. Under the hood, we have a 3.7 liter VG37, which is a V6. This one is naturally aspirated. Backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. Good for 332 horsepower. Not bad on gas. To the curvature of the roof, I got about that much headroom. Seat is set where I would like to drive it. Steering wheel is pretty comfortable with the perforated leather. Stock controls are pretty good. Clutch feels a little on the heavy side. We got a center console here where you can hide your sunglasses. You got your gauges up here. The tach is right in the middle, which I'm not a big fan of. You got some weird digital readout that definitely dates this thing back to when it first came out in 2009. Rotary controls for your temperatures and stuff. An actual handbrake. Ooh, we can pop the hatch from here. Nifty. Don't mind the mess. This is somebody's daily driver. Pretty good room back here. I'm assuming the spare tire and all the emergency equipment's underneath this little panel here. I'd also imagine there's probably a privacy cover you could pull over the back. It's fairly shallow here, so you're looking at maybe half a foot here, maybe about 3/4 of a foot there on just this part alone. But still, great on the highway and at car shows. This one is currently equipped with the Advan Sport 245/45 R18s. And as you can tell, it's a pretty aggressive tread, so good for asphalt, not so good on the dirt. The 370Z is the middle child between the 350Z that came out in 2003. This came out in 2009, got discontinued in 2020. Now just the Z will be coming out for 2023. Some deliveries will be happening this year in 2022. You don't see two-door hatchbacks like this anymore. Yes, you do with the BRZ and the GT86 from Toyota. This is kind of like the swan song for Japanese internal combustion engine coupes. Because the electric era is coming. Smooth. So, Pokeball shifter, nice little aftermarket touch. See how she drives. Definitely firm. This roofline comes down to here, which just barely starts intruding into my vision. And let's give it a little bit of a break here. All good. Anybody coming? Looking good so far. Yes, Daddy likes. Daddy likes. That was the rapid roadside review of a 2020 370Z from Nissan. If you like what you saw, by all means, consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, leave comments below. If you didn't like what you see, by all means, there's still a thumbs down option somewhere if you can find it. Leave some constructive criticism in the section below, and don't subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you for watching, and take care.